Hi guys, this is Carla from DIY Happy Home, and I wanted to show you how you can steam eggs. This is a quick, easy way to get easy peel eggs for your deviled eggs, egg salad, or hard-boiled eggs. This is an Instant Pot silicone basket that I have, and I have about 1.5 inches of water on the bottom, and I have it at a boil now, and I'm going to just close my basket for easy lifting here. And I'm going to keep it on simmer, and I'm going to lid this and steam these eggs for 12 minutes. Okay, there's my lid. And I'm going to set the timer for 12 minutes. It's fogging up already. Okay guys, it's been 12 minutes. And the eggs are steamed. All I need to do is over here, I've got an ice bath. I've got my tongs. I'm going to pick up this basket carefully because it's hot. This basket thing is handy. I'm going to dump it into the ice bath. Cool these puppies down. And the eggs will peel nice and easy. Easy peasy, guys. Easy peasy. Give this one a try. For your deviled eggs and egg salad, or hard-boiled eggs like my kids love. That's it, guys. So easy. Thanks for tuning in. Bye.